Digital disruption is happening in many sectors of the economy and society more broadly. I want to focus on 3 areas where I think some really interesting things are happening. Firstly, governments. For governments and policymakers, the big challenge is the sheer pace of change being driven by digital disruption. Some cities are adopting a quicker model of policy development and release, and I think the Australian government needs to adopt a similar approach where digital disruption is concerned, to develop a policy rapidly and release it with some defined time period. For example, 2 years. Financial services, that's another area where digital disruption is really having an interesting effect. New entrants are getting regulator approval within a matter of weeks rather than months. And this is driving the development of some of the most innovative business models. The labour market's a third area where digital disruption is having a major impact. Employment is becoming more piecemeal and granular, with what were once jobs now being broken down into contracts. That's a trend that's been underway for some while. Now it's shifting even further to contracts being broken down into tasks. The increased displacement of people by machines is also shifting from manual labour up to professional jobs. We're seeing this in areas like investment reporting, where companies like Automated Insights have created agents, intelligent agents, that can now pretty much replace what journalists once did in that area. So digital disruption really is changing a lot of things in our economy. Digital disruption is real. It's changing. It's changing what governments need to do, it's changing financial services, it's changing the labour market, and they're just a few key areas.